Did you know that dead bodies can get goosebumps? That's right. When rigor mortis sets in, the muscles contract, making the body stiffen up. And when the muscles contract beneath the hair follicles, it makes the hair stand on edge, giving the body the appearance of having goosebumps. Pretty cool, right?
Alright guys, our new movie Ghostmates is out now and we're super excited about it, but there's this one part where we blow off a door handle with some chemicals and we're like, I don't know if that would actually be possible.
But we didn't try it out in real life, so guess what? We're gonna do it here on SMOSH LAB. Let's get to it.
Hey guys, welcome to SMOSH LAB. Today's very special. Ghostmates, SMOSH's new movie, came out last week. It's super funny, very great. Ian and Anthony do a great job in it. But there's some questionable science involved in there. We're gonna myth bust it on today's episode. And to help me do that, Nick Uhas!
Woo! All right, yeah!
Yeah! Boom!
All right.
Now Nick, have you seen the movie?
I have.
Ghostmates?
Yes, I have.
It's very
awesome.
funny.
Yeah.
It's very funny.
It is.
You saw it and you saw the experiment involved.
I did.
What did you think?
Well, you know what? Let's just go ahead and roll the clip first.
Okay, let's see it.
Now, you want to coat the surface you want to get a reaction from with H2O. Let me get that potassium. All right. Oh boy. This could be fun.
All right, so in that clip, Shayne, you saw what they do. They wet the door handle, right?
Yes.
And they take a chunk of potassium, they throw it at the door handle, and the door handle
Blows
explodes.
up. Is that how it really works?
So it's actually kind of almost opposite of that. So the reaction is potassium plus water equals potassium hydroxide and H2 gas, so hydrogen gas. Now that hydrogen gas is the part that actually lights up. So that chemical reaction is an exothermic reaction, meaning it creates heat. So it creates heat and then it lights the hydrogen on fire, right?
Okay.
We're gonna walk through the steps and recreate this and see if we can actually blow a door handle off using potassium.
All right, shall we go, mates?
Oh, I like that. That was good, dude. You got puns on that one,
Yeah,
man.
I got puns.
You got me.
Ghostmates
Puns
coming
for
out.
days.
It came out last week on YouTube.
All right,
check
so
it out.
all right, so let's do it.
Let's Ghostmates. We are outside. I haven't been outside in like 5 years,
Yeah,
so
what
this
is
is an experience for me. This happened to be here already.
Yeah.
We found a park that just had this set up. What do we have here?
So this box is the potassium. Now the reason it comes in this like crazy box is because it reacts with the outside air. So when they're shipping this stuff, they're taking all precautions, right? So like, you know, so inside we have another box.
Okay.
And
Why does it say K 98.5%?
So this potassium is 98.5% pure.
Wow.
And K is the periodic
That's awesome.
Yeah, letter for that. And what does that say right there?
It says dangerous.
And there's a little fire thing on it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's pretty good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do one of these guys right here. All right, so then inside this, we have this.
All right. And that's our potassium right there. So in the bottle is the potassium. Wow. That is a lot. That is a lot of packing for just this much potassium.
Safety is our #1 priority.
Okay.
Inside this, so potassium is kept in an oil, right? And that keeps it from reacting from the outside air. So just there's moisture in the outside air, and that moisture actually could potentially combust, like it could actually turn. So the one thing we just can't do, right? Just absolutely can't do. You can see that he actually grabs the potassium, which is in like a little, like, it appears to be like a glass jar, right?
Yeah.
There's no oil in that jar. The potassium would have combusted already. All right.
Wow.
He also asked for 500 milligrams, which is 0.5 grams. That's not
Not
a lot.
enough.
That's
Not very much.
that is like.
And I think he grabs like a chunk. You see him grab a chunk that is not 0.5 grams. What are you doing, scientists on Ghostmates?
Yeah. That's like a
What are you guys
10-gram
doing?
chunk, and it's in his bare hands. That would burn your hands.
Yeah, his hand would fall off.
It's
Yeah.
right there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of reverse engineer that, and we're gonna start with like, you know, dunking it in water first to get a really good reaction, and then we're gonna kind of scale back and try to get as close as we can to what they actually did to try to actually explode this door handle.
Fantastic.
Right? Once you can just like, you know, push on it.
Okay, it almost looks like blue and nice. Oh wow, it's kind of soft.
Yeah, it's really soft, right? It's like kind of like
kinda
buttery.
Just press into it, yeah.
So the first thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna take a chunk of this, and we're gonna put it into some water. So we have
Okay.
that water over there. Now, I wanna clear this area,
Okay.
but I wanna go ahead and cut the amount that we're gonna use first.
Okay.
And I'm gonna have you then take that and put it on this yardstick.
And then drop it into
I'm gonna
water.
Drop it in the water.
Perfect. All right. This is a witch trial. If we drop you in the water and you burn, clearly you are a witch. All right, 3, 2, 1. Pop. Aw, neat. Whee! Boom! Oh! Yeah!
It's like a little fireworks show.
That was really cool. It's just like it's always like a little spark.
We're getting closer and closer again to replicating what they did in the movie. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna have you take this spray bottle.
Great.
And get kind of comfortable with it, you know, like a little squirt gun.
Okay.
And we're gonna come back a couple feet, and then I'm gonna have you squirt the chunk with that
Great.
squirt bottle.
All right,
Step
let's see how
back.
good my aim is.
All right, yeah.
All right.
Yep, get in there. You know, it's like
And-
carnival. You know, it's like, you know what I mean? Like,
Okay.
surprise you
okay.
win.
All right, here we go.
Get it.
Boom.
Up,
Crap,
that
miss.
was-
Boom.
Up, 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 up.
Got it. I nailed it. Keep... Oh! I win a prize.
We have essentially the same thing. It's just a doorknob, right? In the movie, he wets the doorknob and throws the potassium chunk at it. Now, you just sprayed the potassium chunk, right?
Okay.
Now imagine the other way around. We already know nothing's gonna happen.
Nothing's gonna
You
happen.
can't.
Their science skill, nada.
So flawed.
They don't got no science skill.
Okay, so what we're gonna do, Shayne,
Okay.
I'm gonna try to jam this in the crevice here, right? As much as possible. If this thing were going to explode, we'd really want it to be in the corner, the crevice of this. Okay, there we go.
All right, guys. Let's see what happens.
All right, let's
All
do
right.
it. I believe in you.
All right. Yeah, I took care of that door handle. Look at it, it's totally done for. I gotta be honest, it looks stronger than ever. I think we strengthened the doorknob. Ghostmates lied to us. The science was completely incorrect. However, I guess we shouldn't trust the science of a movie about ghosts.
Not cool, man.
Nick, we busted it. We busted it.
It's totally busted.
Us 1, Ghostmates 0. Okay?
Take that. Should have been
So
the
how many
science guy.
parts of it were wrong? For one, you
Okay.
can't grab potassium.
Number
It'll
one,
burn your hand.
Can't grab potassium. 2, it comes in a glass jar where there was no oil. You don't
Yeah.
hold potassium like that. It would react in the glass jar.
Exactly.
Number 3, he said the wrong amount. He said 500 milligrams, which is 0.5 grams.
You too. Get me 500 milligrams of potassium.
What you used right there was like
Yeah.
3, that was about
was-
2 grams.
And that was not nearly enough.
That's 2,000 milligrams.
How much do you think you would need to take care of a door handle?
I don't
you need
even
like
know.
a bucket of potassium.
Maybe like like a pound, maybe?
Yeah, and even then, it's just gonna burn, and it's not gonna burn the
Yeah.
brass door
The
handle
no,
off.
it's gonna turn into a firework. It's gonna be like
Exactly.
a firework show more
It's
than
just gonna be
anything.
pretty.
Myth busted.
busted.
Bam.
But it was very pretty, and we still have more. So
Yeah,
why don't we
so-
celebrate with
okay.
a
This is our celebratory.
celebratory myth
All right,
busted?
man. I'll get the potassium. You get the water.
All right. So what did we learn today?
We learned that potassium is highly reactive with water.
And we learned that Ghostmates did not check their science. They did not. They did not do their research.
No.
When I'm eating bananas, is this happening in my body just on a microscopic level?
This reaction is not happening.
Okay.
Potassium is definitely utilized inside your body. One of the key functions is this thing called the sodium-potassium pump. It's
Great.
used to send nerve transmissions, and
Okay.
also it's vital for life. Like it keeps you alive.
So that potassium stuff is keeping me alive right now.
Right now.
That's awesome.
You know, really another fact about potassium, which I think is really interesting. A glass of milk has more potassium than a bunch of bananas.
Really?
Yeah. A lot of foods actually have much more potassium than bananas. It's just that bananas themselves actually don't have a whole lot other than like sugar and like that's like a little bit of fiber.
Oh, they're useless?
So that's kind of like their marketing source.
Oh my gosh, like it has some potassium in it, eat it.
Yeah, it's good. It's got maybe, yeah.
Thanks guys for watching. Even though the science doesn't check out, Ghostmates is a great movie. You should go check it out. It's on YouTube Red. Watch it now, it's super funny. Comment down below what other experiments we should do. Tune in next time while we blow other stuff up.
Oh, yes.
I am sure.
Always blowing stuff
I think
up.
this next episode, I think next week, I'm gonna die that one. That's gonna be the end of me.
You were close
for
to
sure.
death on this one.
It got close.
80%.
Some of this got close to me.
80% close.
All right, bye guys. Bye. Woo!
Click the box on the left to watch Ghostmates on YouTube Red now. And click the box on the right to get a behind-the-scenes look at the making of Ghostmates.